Alright, what's up, guys? Told y'all I was gonna start showing y'all how I do my perfect man buns and shit. I don't mean to say shit, but anyway. Uh, you know, first of all, now or never, this my homeboy Mark Caesar's just sweatshirts. My hair is a little curly right now. I'm not gonna brush it. It's gonna be a quick little review. You know what I'm saying? First, you gotta have your little, your little ties, your little hair ties. And let's see. Well, first of all, sometimes I wash and brush my hair, wash and condition it, and then I do it. Right now, I don't feel like doing all that shit. I just want to show y'all a quick little review. So, what I do is I just take all my hair, put it up front, making sure I get all my hair in the front, making sure I get it all up in there, get it all up in there. And sometimes when I don't feel like really having my hair that tight, I just do it one time. So this is a man bun. Man buns don't go back here. Man buns goes up here. I don't know what the hell these other people be doing, but I don't know why they call them man buns, but it's not man bun. So you get all your hair in one hand, go backwards, and then you take the rubber band and you go in one time. And keep your thumb inside of the middle. You know what I'm saying? So that way you can pull your hair out. And this is just one time. So it's gonna be a little loose. Cause sometimes I don't like it tight. You know what I'm saying? So that's just one of my man buns. And so, I brush this, I brush the front. Cause I was blessed with a nice hairline, you know what I'm saying? And a nice beard, nice face, We'll get to that later. So that's my first man bun. The next one is when I just go around, I go twice. You know what I'm saying? To make it a little tighter, make it a little snug, that way it won't come out. The same thing applies to the first one. Get everything in one hand, make it go up, and then you go around once, then you go around twice, and then you make sure you keep your thumb inside of the hole. Make sure you keep your thumb, that way you can control it. Control as much hair as you want to come out. And then when you get enough line, you spread it out. You spread it out so it looks like a bun. You know what I'm saying? Looks like a bun. And then of course, like I said, you always, if you got hair, if you're fortunate to have a hairline like me, you just brush the front with a brush, you know what I'm saying? And then, you look good. And that's a perfect man bun. You want to see it from mine? See? The perfect man bun. Perfect, ain't it? It's beautiful, huh? And look how fast it took me. Not no time at all. Like it's 3 minutes I took to do this. And it probably was just a minute to do the man bun. I was just talking more than I was just doing the bun. So, therefore, that's the easiest way that I could show you. I mean, if you don't have hair, if you have hair, you can brush it. If you don't have enough hair, if you don't have enough hair as mine, you probably don't have to brush it to get it to like this. I have enough hair where I don't have to brush it. I could just wrap it up. You hear me? So, follow me on Instagram, pmaldo504. Like, subscribe, and, keep watching because I'm going to keep coming with these man bun tutorials. So, thank you. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all.